boundless realm of aerospace, where ambition meets the sky, Empowerment Funds is the catalyst transforming dreams into reality. Today, we're charting the course for innovation and inviting you to join the journey. Innovation takes flight. Imagine a future where our skies are cleaner, our flights smarter, and space exploration within closer reach. This is the world Empowerment Funds envisions through supporting aerospace innovations. Eco-friendly skies, dive into sustainability efforts making aviation greener. With us, projects focused on biofuels and electric flight technology find their wings. AI and digital frontiers. Explore how AI and digitization streamline operations, enhancing safety and efficiency. We're here to finance the digital revolution in aerospace. The 3D printing revolution. Uncover how additive manufacturing is crafting lighter, stronger components, reshaping aerospace design. Your innovative manufacturing projects have a home with us. Beyond the atmosphere. Satellites are connecting the world in ways once imagined only in sci-fi. Let's bring those imaginations to life with financial support that reaches the stars. Urban air mobility. Urban skies buzzing with efficient aerial mobility isn't a distant dream. We're ready to back ventures that make city airways a new path to traverse. Training in virtual realms. Immersive technologies are redefining pilot training and operations, ensuring safety and precision. Join us in this technological leap forward. With Empowerment Funds, your aerospace ambitions are not just supported, they're propelled. We're committed to funding innovations that will define the aerospace narrative of tomorrow. Are you at the helm of an aerospace innovation that's ready to take off? Apply for an aerospace loan with Empowerment Funds or book a consultation today. Together, let's shape the future of flight and beyond. Your journey among the stars is just an application away. Empowerment Funds stands at the intersection of finance and aerospace innovation. We're not just funding projects, we're fueling the future. Embark on this thrilling voyage with us where your aerospace dreams have no bounds.